Let's see one more problem. Calculate the standard cell potential of galvanic cell in which the following reaction takes place. Given this reaction, calculate the delta G naught and equilibrium constant of the reaction. It is just similar to previous problem. See in this reaction, in this problem what he given? He given this reaction and we have to calculate standard cell potential of galvanic cell. In our cell we have to calculate and delta G naught we have to calculate and equilibrium constant we have to calculate. You know that E cell equal to E right minus E left, that is E naught cell equal to E naught right minus E naught left also. Now you have to calculate E naught cell. For that you have to know E right and E left. See from this equation, in this equation you have to come to know which is undergoing oxidation and reduction, which will be on right side and left side. We have to come to know. See here in this equation, ferrous is undergoing oxidation. See Fe2 plus is converting into Fe3 plus, so it is undergoing oxidation. And silver is undergoing reduction. See Ag plus is converting into Ag, so it is undergoing reduction. You know that in galvanic cell always the reduction reaction will be cathode and which will be on right side, and oxidation reaction will be anode which will be on left side. Now which is undergoing reduction here? Ag plus is undergoing reduction. So E right is reduction potential of this silver and E left is reduction potential of this ferrous. So E naught cell equal to reduction potential of silver minus reduction potential of this ferrous. See, even though this is undergoing oxidation, we will take reduction potential only. See Fe3 bar Fe2 plus. Why? Because all electrode potential are measured in reduction potential only. See, these reduction potential you didn't given in the problem, so you have to look at the table. From this table, if you look at there, you will get reduction potential of silver as 0.80 and reduction potential of this ferric to ferrous as 0.77. So 0.80 minus 0.77 gives you 0.03 volt. This is the E naught cell value, that is standard cell potential of galvanic cell. Now we have to calculate delta G naught and K value. See, you know the relation between delta G naught and E naught cell E naught cell. See, this is delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. You know this relation. In this, you know you have calculated E naught cell. You know F value, that is Faraday constant 96,487 coulomb per mole, and we have to calculate N value. See, for that, see this reaction. Fe2 plus is undergoing oxidation to Fe3 plus. So to convert this ferrous to ferric, one electron is liberated. See, one electron is Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, one electron is liberated, and that one electron is consumed by this Ag plus ion. See, it is converting into undergoing into reduction. So electrons transformed here are 1. So N equal to 1. So delta G naught equal to minus 1 into F is 96,487 into E naught cell is 0.03. And you simplify this one, multiply, you will get minus 2894.6. Always this delta G naught will be expressed in kilojoule per mole. So for that, if you divide this by 1000, you will get minus 2.894 kilojoule per mole. This is in joule per mole, and if you divide it by 1000, you will get this one, which is in kilojoule per mole. Now let's see equilibrium constant. You know this relation, delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K. In this, you know delta G naught and you know temperature. He didn't given temperature, take standard temperature as 298 Kelvin and you know R value, that is 8.314. You have to calculate K value, so you can easily calculate. See, take this joule for mole value only, don't take this kilojoule, because always take standard units only, minus this number, that equal to minus 8.314 into temperature is 298 into ln K. You want this ln K value, take this to this side and they will get divide. When you divide this term, you will get 1.168. You want K value, take this logarithm this side, it will become nt log K equal to nt log of this number. See, this is logarithm of base C. You have to look at natural logarithm table. So K value you will get as 3.2. This is the equilibrium constant value. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.